Mom, what are you doing? My favorite task. I'm writing a blog. I knew it. So, what's the topic of your blog today? It is on healthcare tips. Great! Thanks to internet, my dream for writing and sharing knowledge has come true. Social networking. A network is defined as a group or system of interconnected people or things. It is like an invisible thread which connects you with your family, friends, and relatives. In the computer world, network refers to the group of two or more computers connected by physical or wireless connections. You must have heard people use the terms like a social person, a social butterfly, etc. A social person or being social is often used for those who like to be around people or who are friendly with everyone. They like to go to parties and spend time with people. When we combine the two terms, social and network, we get social networking. It refers to a website or web-based application through which one can create a profile and get acquainted with other users. These sites let us create profiles and maintain personal and professional relationships online. Social media, on the other hand, is a means to communicate and share information with a vast audience through websites. You can publish images, videos, etc. and attract followers. The purpose of such sites is to create buzz and curiosity among the public directly or indirectly. Some examples are YouTube, television, and newspaper. Let us understand the different types of social media with how we post or write messages on the different apps. You are making a sculpture. You want to let people know about it. This is how you will post your message on different apps. Twitter, I am making a sculpture. Facebook, I like sculptures. Quora, why I am making sculptures. YouTube, this is a video of me making a sculpture. Instagram, this is a photo of my sculpture. LinkedIn, my skills include sculpture making. Facebook is an America-based online social networking service. It was founded by Mark Zuckerberg on 4th February 2004. It was opened for people in 2006. It is the biggest social network worldwide with approx 2.6 billion monthly active users. You can connect with your family and friends and share your photos, status, interests, videos, links, and much more. India leads the tally as the biggest user of Facebook with over 280 million monthly active users. Some important features of Facebook are: you can organize your preferences and list according to your likes. The left pane of the Facebook window displays the different categories, activities, interests, and events. You can create groups. This feature is mainly used for advertising and selling the products online. The seller can directly connect with the members who like your product. It has added some new features such as watch party, search, pages, live, saved, units, scheduled posts, filters, etc. You can send messages through Messenger. Messenger is a handy feature to chat with people. You can do video calling, share files and links, and send emojis too. You can check your login location where you are logged in. This feature lets you find all your active Facebook logins from any device. You can even restrict some people or friends from seeing your post. This helps to maintain privacy. With the help of download your information, you can own a personal copy of everything you have ever shared on Facebook. The main menu bar of Facebook is given below. Facebook search, video notification, your profile ID, notifications, home, friend request received, Messenger for chatting. Twitter was launched in the year 2006 as a social networking and microblogging site. It was created by Jack Dorsey, Noah Glass, Bistone, and Evan Williams. It was released by an American company, Odeo. It is designed for sharing short updates and messages. These messages are called tweets. The tweets are limited to 280 characters only. In Twitter, you follow people or organizations which share similar academic and personal interests. You can create your own Twitter feeds. You can also retweet the posts created by others. If a tweet is liked by a lot of people across the globe and it gets many likes, shares, and comments, it is said to have gone viral. Tweets can be anything: pictures, links, GIFs, or videos. By default, the tweets are public on Twitter. This means that anyone can view the tweet. Quora was launched in the year 2009, founded by Adam Danglo and Charlie Cheever. It is a question and answer site where anyone can ask a question and people answer. It provides high-quality answers written by different users who share a common interest. Quora is a platform to ask questions which interest you. You can also create social networks and follow topics that interest you. To answer a specific question, you can also post pictures related to the answers if needed. Quora is a user-generated content created by users and for users. The users vote for an answer that provides the most accurate information. This highlights the answer, and other users can also benefit from this. You can ask questions related to education, studies, or even a simple method to solve a sum or question. What you cannot do on Quora: you cannot argue on any topic or raise a conflict. You cannot promote business ideas or market your products. It is not a forum to express your views or share your thoughts. Questions which are poorly phrased or are not appropriate are not entertained on the website. You can create a Quora account on the website Quora.com. Then follow the different steps to create your account.